We're here at the show with Auto Doctor Towing and Repair. It's a 1987 Peterbilt 359. They got the green cab overs, green headlights. And then what's interesting about this one is they have over $14 million in the floor. And this thing has one of the biggest winches I've ever seen. They got a 50-ton drag winch and two 25-ton winches on the boom. This is the massive 50-ton winch. They say it can drag straight out the back here. And then the two 25 tons are up top. This thing would be phenomenal at getting some big, heavy trucks to their destination to have them repaired.